Hey guys, yesterday we were talking more about adding and subtracting links, and we were doing two-step word problems with that. And that was pages 196 and 197. So today we're going to be going over 198 and 199 out of your packet. And this is about adding and subtracting links as well. So it says study the model below and then solve problems 13 through 15. So Mr. Yee walks 12 feet from his house to the sidewalk. Then he walks 28 feet to the mailbox. Mr. Yee turns around and walks 17 feet back toward his house along the sidewalk. How far does Mr. Yee have to walk to get back to his house now? So it says, look at how you can show your work with a bar model. So they're modeling what we got in the first sentence. So you have, he walked 12 feet from his house to the sidewalk. Then he walked 28 feet to the mailbox. So he turns around and walks 17 feet back toward his house along the sidewalk. So how much further does he have to go until he gets to his house? Well, we know that here was from his house to the mailbox. So if we add the 12 plus the 28, that gives us, they're doing 2 plus 8 is 30. And then adding that 10 more would be the 40. So 12 plus 28 was 40 feet to get from his house to the mailbox. So if we had 40 feet, takes that long, and we know that he walked 17 feet back, but we don't know how much further. So what they did was they took this 10 away from the 40, which gave them 30. That leaves me taking away the 7. So 30 minus 7 is 23 feet. So Mr. Yee has to walk 23 feet to get to his house from where he is right now. Okay, so Jude's sunflower grew 8 inches this week. Well, it's 26 inches tall now. How tall was Jude's sunflower at the beginning of the week? So we have to show our work and then give it the answer. So we need to find out what is 26 minus 8. So I'm going to make a 10. So I'm going to subtract 26 minus the 6, which would give me 20. But I have to subtract a total of 8. So how much more do I need to subtract? That's right, 2. So 20 minus 2 equals 18. So I know that 26 minus 8 equals 18. All right. Remember, we're going back to the beginning of the year when we were making a 10. All right. Number 14. A path in the park was 22 meters long. Then another section was added. Now the path is 50 meters long. So how long is the new section? So we know it was 22, and we know another section was added, but we don't know what that section is. And now we know the total is 50 meters long. So we need to find our unknown, which is that question mark. So if I want to add, kind of like I would on a number line, would say, what would get me close to 50? Well, if I add 20, I know that gives me 42. So, that looks like a Z, doesn't it? So if I want to know how much further do I add from 42 to get to 50? Well, if I go back to not just knowing my adding to 10, I know 2 plus 8 equals 10. Give me the next 10, which would give me 50 meters. So I know that 22 plus blank equals 50 meters. And our question mark equals a total of, we got to put this together, 28 meters. All right, last one. Lisa used 37 centimeters of string to hang a picture and 46 centimeters of string to hang another picture. She has 12 centimeters of string left. So how much string did she start with? So what we have to do is just to go backwards, guys, and add it together. Let's see. It says Chase chose C as the answer, and that's wrong. So we know that's wrong. So what is the answer? Okay, after you work it out, let's see if you can come up with D and the reason why. Just add it all together, okay? Have a good day.